children.
Hello, dear children. Today, I will tell you about an operating system called Linux. It is a special program that makes computers work and allows them to perform various tasks. It is free and open, which means anyone can use it and customize it to their needs. Some of the animals in the park started to wonder what exactly Linux is and how it can be useful. At the playground, the guinea pig and the kitten were talking about computers. The guinea pig said she only knows Windows and thought Linux was something very difficult. However, the kitten explained that Linux has many different versions, and some are very easy to use. He added that many programmers use it because it gives them a lot of freedom. The guinea pig admitted she did not know about these possibilities and started to become more interested. On the meadow, the sparrow and the rat were wondering where to find Linux. The sparrow thought it was only on old computers, but the rat explained that Linux works on servers, supercomputers, and even phones. He added that it is very secure and often used in large companies. The sparrow was surprised and admitted he did not expect Linux to be so common. By the pond, I met the frog and the puppy. I asked them why it is worth learning Linux. The frog said it is a free operating system and anyone can customize it to their needs. The puppy added that it is very popular in the programming world and is often used for learning to code. I agreed with them that knowing Linux can be very useful for anyone who wants to understand computers better. Dear children, Linux is a free operating system that can be customized to your needs. It is secure and used on many devices, from computers to servers. Many programmers and companies choose it because it offers a lot of freedom. It is worth getting to know it and learning how it works. See you soon, dear children.